Hey y'all, I'm back. Yeah. We're doing a challenge with
Hey,
these.
excuse me, girlfriend.
I'm not on your video. Well, yes I am, but I'm on mine. And we're gonna see who can eat the most without making a face. There's Hawaiian Punch, Wild Purple, and then there's A&W. So yeah. You wanna start? Here's yours, by the way. Oh, wait. Oh, yeah, there's also Crush Grape.
Longest we made it, guys. 24 minutes. Alright. Oh, wait, okay.
Okay.
Crash, okay.
Oh, there's
Whatever.
Okay, which one are you going to eat first? Really? Alright, let's eat one of the purples. This one, we don't have
So
to...
we're doing the Crush Grape.
Crush Grape. We don't have...
I'll show you.
Stop it.
Grape.
Okay, so we don't have to eat all of it at once. We can, like, pour a little bit in our mouth at a time.
Hang on, I gotta take a drink.
This is mine now. Huh.
I'm not gonna be wussy.
I can taste it still in the back of my throat. A&W. A&W's gonna taste disgusting. Sorry.
A&W.
A&W.
Root beer, if you don't know.
Yeah. My tongues are purple now. Oh! No! That was disgusting. Never try the A&W ones. It looks like dog diarrhea on the trash can now. Ooh. We may need to brush our teeth after this one. Oh, let's see what else we can find in the fridge to do this with. Oh, we're gonna do the lemon spread next after the Hawaiian Punch Weld Smash. Oh yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell.
Oh,
That's the well.
it tastes like cinnamon. Don't try it.
Yeah, don't try it, please. Tyranny. I was trying to hold it as long as I could before I spit it.
I couldn't do it.
Look at the trash can. Oh my god. We'll be back. Never try the A&W by itself. It was disgusting. It dried out of
The moisture in her mouth.
Alright, next we'll be trying this one.
We're doing the sugar-free Hawaiian Punch.
Oh, they are sugar-free?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they are. And low calorie. Okay.
Ooh.
No. Mm-mm.
I couldn't do it.
Yeah. It's part. It's dark on the outside. Look. You want to try this?
Oh.
Sure. We're gonna be doing this lemon spread. Here's one. It's not cold. Ew, it's separated. Do you want to use your fingers, a straw, or a spoon? I'll get the straw. Yours is gonna be yellow and mine's
Oh my
gonna be
God.
green. There you go. Just use these. Just gonna kind of mix the top.
Hang on, where's the scissors?
I'm gonna get in my video and you in your video. So she's going to get some scissors. So I guess I'll be in both videos. Much better. I had to fix mine, but yes. Tyranny, what are you doing? Good. Oh, that's what you're doing. Oh, my Cheetos. And I'm back, but Tyranny's not. She's trying to make a spoon out of a straw. I think. Let's eat this much. What the heck? I'm not eating it yet. I was stirring it. Mine's dripping. Well, not on two. It tastes like old lady candy.
The aftertaste tastes like soap.
Yeah.
Do you need to look at the trash can?
I think the best one out of all of these was the crushed grape.
Wasn't bad.
No? The other ones are just plain out disgusting.
Oh my God, don't even start.
Don't. Just don't. Let's see what else we have. We have Cheetos.
What about the zucchini?
Yes. Ooh, we're getting this one. This is the best looking one in there. And we're only 12, so there goes the top.
Opposite plates.
I know. Just you can go eat yourself. No, it's mine.
Hey, you get the best looking one, girl.
That's because I cut it.
You're so mean. Maybe I'll start mean tonight.
You guys are lucky. I hate zucchini. Yeah.
We're eating foods that we hate now.
Yeah. Maybe we can do canned foods next, like canned vegetables. Raisins.
Oh, don't even stir it with raisins.
Raisins are disgusting. I don't care what anybody says. They're disgusting. So are bananas.
Don't start on bananas.
You guys probably think I'm crazy.
They're seedy. I hate seedy.
Well, there's my zucchini. Now I'm just waiting for Slowpoke over here. Oh yeah, I should probably cut off some of the edges. Oh, is that how you're doing yours? She's making them look like fries. I guess I'll do mine like that too, so it's fair. you cutting them in half after you make them look like fries?
Some of them I'm making look like fries, and then some of them I'm making look like tater tots.
That's always nice.
Some of them I'm just cutting in half, so there's more. Okay, so there's this thing, and it's called, come on in or sit in the bin. Okay, so we're making our own bin. It's called, oh, well.
Okay, that's as much as I'm going. Okay, I got mine cut. I'm gonna go see what else there is. There's corn, there's raisins, there's tomato soup. Tomato soup, I'm pretty sure that's about it.
And bread.
And bread.
But we have to heat it up, so.
No.
Well,
Look at
I'm
mine.
getting a dip, so.
Like,
Oh,
yes.
lemon pepper.
Lemon pepper is the best with everything.
Here we go. Okay, so we're not going to start the challenge just yet with this. But, okay. Are we almost done?
We don't
I
have.
need more, like, later on.
You need to cut some of these smaller, like that.
I have small ones.
Okay, that's one.
Alright, guys. First, zucchini.
Zucchini, dip it in the lemon pepper, and then eat. Second. Molly, you're a pee-pee head. No, why? I'm YouTubing. We're eating things we don't like. It stinks in there. Of course it does. I'm getting right. Third one. Yeah, move it up. Huh? This one there. Jerk face.
Okay, this is way better. Okay,
Fourth
so
one.
the phrase we're going for is open the door, slam the door.
Fifth one, I think. I'm sorry, you have less than I do.
Hmm? Most of them are thick. Fine. I don't know why.
He's gonna watch this video and she's like, you guys are crazy. Or she's gonna laugh at us. $20. I'm not even counting. You're gonna be down before me because you have a lot less. She wins. Plate cleared. Mine was so close.
36 zucchinis.
Mine's more like in the 50s. Alright, I'm done.
But mom.
But mom. Done. The water's not coming out.
She still has some in hers.
Yeah, I know some of mine. The water won't come out of the fridge. on it.
What?
One of these packets have ranch on it. I definitely need to take a shower tonight.
After that one before you then.
Why?
Okay.
So,
Oh, now we have tomato soup. Alright, so
we're not to warm that up.
what?
We're not to warm the tomato soup up.
Alright, so get 2 bowls. No. Cups. I'm gonna drink it. Get my coffee cup. Grab it how it is.
Just these 2 cups. We're gonna fill them halfway up.
Alright.
Next is tomato soup.
Get tomato soup. Okay, so the zucchinis with the ranch was pretty good.
It actually wasn't that bad.
But with lemon pepper, don't try that at all.
Oh.
But,
But yeah.
it's open the door.
Who is it? But like, if you try zucchini and lemon pepper, it just makes the zucchini taste a lot worse than it usually does, especially raw. But the ranch makes it a little more moist than usual. Hey Kendra,
What do you want? What do you want?
your video is 45 minutes.
I know.
Mine's 18 because I had to do another one. I'm just gonna post both of them.
42.
Oh well.
Where's the... Oh my god. I would try the A&W all by itself. It tasted like
Oh yeah, there is no
nothing.
more of the A&W flavoring packets either.
Don't try it dry.
Hey,
it
wait.
just tastes like
Here's one.
cinnamon.
Can you get the box down there? The purple box? Okay, we got another crush. We're gonna try that next.
Not yet. We still have the...
Here's this. I got the can out ready.
Oh, you did? Okay. That's diced tomatoes.
Oh well. I don't give a fuck.
Oh, that's fine. Done that. Tomato sauce.
Yeah, you do that while I do this. Okay. She's opening the tomato soup. Yes.
Well, I need to borrow the knives that are in the sink.
I'm gonna clean up our mess over here while you do that.
Please do that.
Yeah, I guess I will.
You already were. That's why I said do it then. Ooh.
Okay.
It's going everywhere. Okay.
Oh well, I didn't make a trash can. Oh well. Let's get some fridge.
I feel like I know what it's all at, but I don't know what it's at.
Alright, this part you need to go and get up at too. You know what makes it better? I've actually tried this.
Salt, the kosher salt.
Yep. Do you want garlic powder in it?
Sure.
They can see what I'm doing.
Jesus.
It's not really that a lot.
You're going in with it.
I put some in yours. I'm adding a little bit more. Can't taste it until it's heated up. Yep. We'll stick both of ours in at the same time. Hey! You cheater! It's gone. Where'd it go? Ew. Oh, it's okay. Grab the rolling thing
30 seconds.
doing? Go get yours. Where'd yours go? Okay. Next, we're gonna be doing this one.
Crush orange.
Yeah, I don't like how your phone is a lot clearer than mine. After so many times it's been dropped to the toilet. Well, once, but.
I dropped it in the tub.
Touchscreen that was tested positive for fecal bacteria.
And ramen noodles. And some other things.
Article.
I believe it. Don't pour too much in your mouth, it would be disgusting. That one was a fail and not a fail. Because if you have too much in your mouth, it will be really gross. But if you have little by little, it's actually pretty not. It's really not that bad. Tierney, we're gonna be doing this next.
Ooh, it worked for me!
Molly, that is messed up.
She's mad because the water was but not her.
Tierney, our thingies are done. This one's yours. I know because mine's like this. I grabbed a straw.
I did a balloon.
I'm gonna try it before I drink it. That's hot. It's really not that bad. Are we adding hot sauce into this?
Yep.
Oh my gosh.
Alright, so.
Give it!
Show them.
I already did.
Did you for mine?
Yeah.
Hey! Mine was a lot.
I'm not really adding a lot because I don't really like hot sauce, so. Ooh! That is so gross. Let's see what else we can add to it. Cheese. It'll melt it. We're not.
You are.
No, we're adding things no one ever eat. We're eating what people don't ever eat.
I was gonna eat those zucchini.
We only ate one together. Like, seriously. Just a little bit of cheese.
Did you call me mom?
You have to add some cheese into yours.
I kind of like didn't know you
This
said we're putting cheese in ours.
We're putting whatever we think we should put in it to make it disgusting.
Alright, so I'm not sure, but hopefully.
Huh, what about some ham?
Oh, I hate ham. Ooh, put it in!
What?
Put it in! The ham. Put ham in here.
We're gonna need a spoon or a fork.
Jeez. Okay. I'm breaking mine into tiny bits, so if you didn't think of that.
Are you using all of the cheese?
No!
I didn't put very much in mine.
Well, I'm breaking mine. Oh, well, there goes that.
No, they're not.
Alright, I'm putting this much in.
I'm gonna eat some of it.
I'm not. I don't like ham.
Ooh, there's honey on it.
What?
You should see what else in the fridge we should put in it. Alright, whatever you pick is the last thing. That stuff up there? It's like very hot, but it's not hot sauce. This?
I told someone
No.
I never finished something.
Yep.
I never did the YouTube video. So, yeah.
Oh my god, it's garlic. Yeah, it's garlic and onions and pepper seeds in it.
Ooh, bread and butter pickles.
Daniel, after we're done, we're gonna clean the kitchen.
Yeah.
No, I'm gonna make me something to eat if that's okay. I haven't eaten.
Yeah, go ahead,
Make me a grilled cheese sandwich.
please.
Hey Daniel, can you open this for us?
That's hot pepper.
We know. It's a challenge.
I got worse pinky, okay?
I don't know if I can open it. My hands are sore.
Break the jar!
Ooh, he opened it.
He did?
I'm not.
Ooh!
I'm not doing that. Nope.
Just a little bit. Just a little bit.
I'm doing the juice.
Yeah, that's
I
good.
don't want to do the juice.
You bring your little asses up.
Just a
We
little
already
bit.
put something in here, so.
Dang!
Okay. Mixing mine up. Oh, we making like a smoothie up in here?
I guess. I don't know. I need more cheese in mine. I only put a little bit.
Excuse me, ma'am?
Excuse me, girlfriend.
Sorry.
What you doing, Tyranny?
You don't gotta eat one of the peppers?
No, we just put the juice in our tomato soup stuff.
Before we close that, can you put this back where it was?
Please.
Please.
I don't think we'll be able to drink this. Let me try mine.
Oh, yes, you will.
Does it taste gross? No, not really. Mine doesn't.
Alright, there you go. Got the kosher salt.
Okay, let's do Italian seasoning.
No, I'm not.
Oh, I am.
Well, if you do it, I have to do it. You're
Just a little bit. Exactly. I'm kidding. No. All right.
Go. I think I put it in my eyeball. Alright, finished
Grab the hand,
look.
please.
It has him on top of it for you.
Here, take your hand.
We don't want it. We just need a little piece off of it.
Alright, I'm ready to do this. Are you?
I'm probably just gonna drink mine straight from the. You were just like, hi,
Alright.
Kitcha. Oh, this is gonna be. Oh, oh, I can't know.
3, 2, 1.
Nope. Mine's disgusting. I don't know how you can do that. Ew.
What'd you mix?
Tomato soup. Turkey, sandwich cheese, shredded cheese, not turkey, it was, and ham, and then lemon pepper, Italian seasoning, hot sauce, whatever that hot stuff, hot juices in the fridge. Wait, how many is that?
6.
6. And then
Or 7.
And then we added, I think that was all.
You shouldn't have drank all that, did you?
That's why when I took one giant chunk of it, I was like, nope. That's going down great. Upside down like that. You're crazy.
Well, I gotta finish it.
I couldn't do it.
I had to. I put more
I know, you put
Of
more
that
of that
in there
and more of the other
and
stuff in
more of the hot other.
there. Stuff. Let's do some other things.
I've almost been on this for an hour.
I know. So am I.
Yes. No, not really. You've been on for half an hour.
No, I'm talking about on your camera.
Oh, well. Crunchy cheese curls. Extreme hot.
They're not really hot, they're cheesy.
Cheesy. Alright, so we're gonna do this.
I'm taking these off, they have stuff on them.
Like mine, I
Yeah.
think.
Okay, yeah.
Alright, so
Hey, pop salt!
I noticed that. Okay, so 1.
I'm using 2.
Can't drink a drink. Oh god. Don't make me laugh. God.
Monkey much?
I can't fit in my mouth. Okay. Oh, whatever. You got what?
I don't know.
No, not her.
You got left me. Because you did it.
And you're stuffing them all in your mouth. Not as much as her.
Yeah, but I stuffed them in my mouth. But I won. Because when I stuffed them in my mouth, she still had to down. I swallowed first one.
What do you eat?
Stuff we usually don't eat.
Alright. So, tomato soup. Oh, yes. Open the door. Slam the door. I didn't like that.
Yeah.
Yes.
I know what to do next.
So this is coming in the door.
Black coffee. Yes.
Oh, come on.
I could beat Tor up. And it's not gonna be cold, I promise. What? What? How long it is?
No.
So? Girls, hurry up! Why? Because I want my kitchen back. You can have it.
We're making coffee.
No. We're almost done, I promise.
Maybe.
No, I promise, we're almost done. We'll move to a different room in a minute.
Well, yeah.
So it's making. While it's making, let's go to a different room.
Okay, well, it's making. Let's go.
Because my mom wants her kitchen back. Mom, go to the bedroom. You can have the kitchen for a little bit.
Hot. My mouth's on fire.
Mine isn't.
Kind of. Hey,
What?
I drank all the tomato juice, and you were being such a baby. Wussy.
You be quiet.
No.
Yes.
Oh God, here's Mango.
What? You?
How?
Oh, besides, oh yeah. Just to let you know, Mango is a boy. Alice
He's a girl. They're brother and sister. Hi. Here's my
Subscribe to our
kitty.
channel, guys. She needs
Here's
them.
my sister's kitty.
I've been videoing for an hour and 1 minute.
I've been videoing for an hour and a minute because we started at the same time. But I'm on a different video. I see.
I mean, I've been on it more.
My kitty. 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 I'm a bee jerk. Dwarfs. Oh well. I'm gonna rip a book in half and set on fire. You wanna book that is? You wanna know what book that is? Who likes this book? I know I don't.
The Rule of 3.
Yeah.
I heard that book.
It's retarded.
Yeah, it is.
Let's go to the kitchen and see what if it's. Is it your kitchen back, Mom?
Okay.
Where's Ebony? In the kitchen. Don't turn your hotspot off. I'm still videoing. Thank you, Mom. Love you, Mom. I really do. I do! Be grateful I'm not showing you. I'm not. I'm not. I have it on me.
To ensure that you never show me.
Okay, look, Mom, you can look at this angle. I'm not showing you. Tierney, it's done! We're gonna drink it black.
You want some soup?
I'm coming, Tierney. Stay in there. Oh.
Dang it, I didn't.
Here, yours is the white cup. We're gonna clean off my vanity and let this cool down real quick. And so we can have our cameras on the vanity. Oh, that's upside down. There we go. Tierney, no, not the bed.
On the bed.
They can see your butt now.
I know.
No!
Sorry!
Me?
Oh, the cat.
Oh, how grateful.
Oh, sorry guys. There goes my hour-long video.
Did you already post it?
No.
What do you mean? There it goes. Oh,
The cat knocked it off.
it saves to your phone, by the way.
Oh, the cat knocked it off.
Oh, well, it saves to your phone because it does that to my phone. My hair's a complete mess.
Oh, really?
What?
I lost it.
Oh my god. No.
Okay guys, so I just lost the hour-long video in 2 minutes
Because of my cat.
because of this one.
My stubborn little cat.
Mango! Mango!
He's a jerk.
The camera. You're the one who knocked over my phone, right?
Oh yeah, there's gonna
Is it?
Tierney,
Okay.
there might be coffee grinds in your cup.
Great.
That's why I'm trying to get all mine out.
And not get mine out?
No, because it's your cup.
Well, anyway. There goes that.
Okay, Tierney, get your cup. I don't know what I'm doing.
Well, we were doing come in the door, slam the door. But can't do that now.
Yeah. No, it's not there.
We're eating things that
We're not eating, we're drinking now. We're drinking coffee.
drinking black coffee.
Yeah, it's really gross.
Thank God I brought my drink here.
Why is my phone like that? If I have it up like this, it's like...
Alright, so...
My phone won't stand up straight unless it's like this.
Okay, I'm scared.
What? To drink?
I don't know what's in here!
What, in the coffee?
Yes!
It's just coffee. I promise.
That's because I lost all my footage.
Alright,
well, let's get this over with.
Is that really just it? Thanks. Now.
Coffee. Sorry. Coffee.
Look at mine.
Black coffee. Cool. I'm kind